Fans, welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, it don't happen no. So Yul Edochie won't use Daniela, his daughter, to replace the mother. Yul Edochie won't put Daniela in the position when he put May Edochie all these years. My people una know say in the marriage of Yul Edochie and May Edochie, agreement was made because a lot of people they blame May Edochie say why May Edochie carry all the expenses of her marriage, why Yul Edochie was not dropping money. Now this one una never hear am, but I go carry am come give una. May Edochie was somebody during that time of the marriage. The agreement was that every money dime that belonged to that is coming from Yul Edochie's side will be in savings account. While our own, they go dey use them till they do minor expenses when e dey house. Maybe like feeding, transportation, taking care of the kids and other things. Two of them still get another account where they open for school fees. That one are just for school fees. They have money there. Then that Yul Edochie money wey they receive for Nollywood, because May Edochie was a businesswoman. She dey get profit every day. That's why she say, let us be using my own for eating. Now everyday profit. Why Yul Edochie own, e dey come not every month, not every day. If he act movie, they pay am. So Yul Edochie kind of salary is kind of different. Now only when they call them for movie, they act, they'll pay them. And the money they come in bulk. So May Edochie say, be that kind of money like that, they would just carry and put them for savings. Then they get another account where they use for general expenses. Why that money where Yul Edochie they receive will go into their family savings, which at the beginning the money they enter. So May Edochie already verify that account, say money true they enter. So she did not go to that account to check again. Not knowing that when you come know Judy Austin, now there Yul Edochie can start to carry all the money we did this account, carry the go they put for inside, carry the money we did this account, carry go they give Judy Austin and her family. From that time, May Edochie no can even go they check that account again because she so much believe that her husband they do the service. So after they can't separate those accounts, they can't block all of them. Meanwhile, all the money we dey Yul Edochie account in the carry and those service accounts, as he can't know Judy Austin, now so he pack all the money we dey the account, carry go they give Judy Austin. When May Edochie come sue Yul Edochie for divorce, now there everything come open come aside. That service account, 1 naira no dey there. So May Edochie come find out say that account money no dey. No be say the money Yul Edochie go remove am because say they divorce. That man don't use money to squander the whole money wey dey there give Judy Austin and her family. So ever since then, Yul Edochie not get access to any money because all the rest money na May Edochie own. The account where they say make you put in you, they not see 1 naira. Now it make Yul Edochie not fit get access to any of the accounts. When they make maths, they talk, they go say, May Edochie cut me off. The woman not cut am off. Now the woman get her money when she put for those accounts. Now, my people, nothing dey in hand again since when they block all those accounts. All the card, all the password and everything change. Yul Edochie not get access to any of his family accounts anymore because in 1 naira, he not dey there. There is receipt and proof for May Edochie. Now, my people, not be smart they happen. No. Yul Edochie wey know say his life don't frustrate, everything don't bend, life don't bend like crayfish, nothing they work out for again. Yul Edochie decided to jump from mother to daughter. My people, according to wetin they carry come give us, before I continue, let me welcome you to Omero TV. Please, if you dey watch my video, you never subscribe, I beg una, I'm not subscribe. Not just look the video, go like that, subscribe, and also thumbs up for the video. God bless you. You see this Yul Edochie, now it won't pass from mother to daughter. Because right now, Yul Edochie no dey fit collect anything from May Edochie again. Everything don already blocked. Nyash don't open, breeze don't blow, foul nyash don't open. So Yul Edochie decided now to go to the daughter. They said Yul Edochie send message go give his daughter. Say he get one contract when they give her. Say the contract worth millions, make an open mouth of money. So, according to him, he need money to start the project. He need money to go into this contract. The contract has already been awarded to him. But he need money to prove to them that he can start it before they start paying the contract money into his account. Not be saying go job be broke man. They just come carry contract, give broke man. So before this contract, they go award and give him. They want me to show them say he get something when he go to start. So now he can't call his daughter. He said the only person when he might go to call na his daughter. So Yul Edochie right now, the man broke. And we all know the situation when he did. Say na Lizzy Gold now they carry on the waka since then. Now Lizzy Gold don't throw away Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie now the man need ego, he need money. Yul Edochie now went to call the daughter. He can't tell the daughter, say this contract where they give am so, say it worth millions of naira. But the only way when he be say he go fit collect the contract, he need to get some cash for account, or he need to get valuable things for hand when he go take collect the contract. Now he can't tell the daughter, say if the daughter go fit give am some millions of naira, make he put for his account, make the daughter send the money enter his account. He say if the daughter no fit still send money, say maybe the mother no gree, make Daniela give am the land. Una know say the time wey May Edochie go do trade fair for Ebonyi State, he come carry Daniela follow body, introduce Daniela to her maternal people. May Edochie people, they come carry plots of land dash Daniela. That plot of land where they carry dash Daniela, we no know as Yul Edochie take hear about am. So Yul Edochie definitely know say Daniela plots of land dey for Daniela hand. So Yul Edochie, that plot of land na he don enter his eye now. Now in dey tell the daughter say make the daughter abeg make he carry that plot of land, give am the papers, give am, make he put for ground so that he go fit collect contract. My people, Yul Edochie don finish with May Edochie. He won't enter the daughter. Instead of papa to dey say, my daughter, tell me your plans of future, let me see how I can help you. Now papa dey tell his daughter, say, my daughter, come and help me to solve my problem with the small thing wey be say your mama people give you. You as a father, you no get one thing wey you plan for this girl life. Because if you really plan for your children, you would have avoided Judy Austin and her family. Now they put you for where you dey today, desperate family where they are ready to eat for where they not so. Now you won't carry the frustration go put for your daughter where they call Daniela body. Say make Daniela come give you money, or make it give you a document to a plot of land, give you contracts. As soon as just look Yul Edochie head to toe, it be like person where they give contract. Yul Edochie resemble person when they even know for government office, talk less of them won't give a contract. Hand don dey meet this man. He not see where he want for collect again, because definitely he cannot collect from May Edochie. He has decided to move on to the daughter. Now the daughter hand now him for won't go collect. According to wetin they talk, they say Daniela did not reply him. Daniela not even answer and say yes or no. But she read the message and ignored the father. As Yul Edochie say his daughter don't read message, but the daughter refused to give reply. Yul Edochie come provoke. Yul Edochie come say why Daniela no reply am? Why Daniela no wan help am? Say na im mama na dey always dey cause confusion between him and his daughter. Yul Edochie say na May Edochie na dey cause wahala between him and his daughter. Say and the daughter by this time say they for don settle. Say his daughter for don give her that money or give her those documents to the plot of land. But na May Edochie na dey the mist wey make Daniela no wan give her. So, if una see as una Amobingo dey vex on top of Daniela money, on top of Daniela plot of land, if una see as Yul Edochie dey vex, he say why will Daniela no give him that money? He say why Daniela no go give am the money, and also the plot of land, the document to the plot of land. He said this is pure wickedness. He has been there for them. He has helped them. He has done a lot for them. Now we be saying they in need. They've all decided to abandon him. Not be small thing una out to come dey talk o. Una out to provoke o, not be small. Say Daniela has refused to help him. Daniela has refused to give him documents. Daniela no even answer am because the girl know say e papa wey know very well no get any contract. Na land wey wan carry go sell na e dey find. Na money wey wan chop wey wan take carry all those small girls for Asaba na e dey find. Now wey be say Lizzy go don throw am for outside, e no get any access again. He need money. Now the only person when he feel say go fit give am that money na the daughter. Now Yul Edochie dey provoke on top of Daniela money, and Daniela know very well that this man no receive contract. He just dey find money wey he wan chop. Dey find person wey he wan frustrate. Una see wetin me Edochie went through. This is what me Edochie went through in that marriage. When people they tell and say, why did she leave? Why did she not bear? Why did she not stay? Stay where? Stay where exactly? Like stay there and do what? And be suffering all these things with this man. This man now Daniela money na e dey eye. The worst thing that can ever happen to a woman is when you dey plan direct. The man wey you dey plan with, dey scatter am. You see and say the woman no go ever fit go front. Now all those things they chop me Edochie for that marriage where that woman they dry. All those things now they chop am. The woman don't think her life, she don't tire. Because she go dey gather, Yul Edochie go dey scatter. She go gather, this man go come, he go scatter, he go waste everything. Go scatter money. He just dey do odogu for her side on top of the sweat of me Edochie. Now the me Edochie side not work again. Now Daniela. You see the man who say make me Edochie, make he stay, make he bear, make he build. She built for 20 years. Disappointment, now me Edochie take come off for there. Now because say me Edochie no dey talk. What that woman went through in that marriage, not be waiting mouth we talk. That woman see something. She saw something in that marriage. She talk and when she do her trade fair say, now only mothers know wetin they carry. Only mothers, now they know wetin they carry. Now Daniela now na talk on the beg now. To make he come give her money or make give her land. As Daniela refuse, now una out of the verse. He don the verse, they put the blame on me Edochie. Say me Edochie won't try to separate him and his children. Me Edochie no want make his children dey help am. Now your children suppose help you. I be now you suppose help your children. So called you always say your daughter suppose help am. Ask her how many help he don give you, papa. Ask her. Since when he leave me Edochie, now so his papa money they carry, so his papa land now they say. He don't see for there again. He don't see for me Edochie side now Daniela. Plot of land where they give small pikin. You not to say my pikin come, make I give you money, make you say start to the builders. No. Now bring the land, come make him carry. Now sell it, won't sell am o. He say won't go use and borrow money. That man go sell everything. Thank God say the Daniela get mama wey get sense. No be mama wey carry them go abandon for their papa, they live her life. Those children for real suffer, eh? Just imagine begging your daughter for a plot of land and money because she refused you the verse. Have you ever asked her to go and build a house in that plot of land? You don't ever tell us, okay, this money wey dey your account, invest am. You don't ever come up with those ideas. All you own are to squander. Now so you squander me Edochie money, if not be say God wey come separate you now. You squander that woman money, now you want to enter your daughter. My people, wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.